Here's how to clear the DNS cache in Google Chrome. Now open up the Google Chrome app on your Android phone, or you can do this on a computer or iPad. It works the same on any Google Chrome. From here, we need to go to a specific website, and it is Chrome://net internals. So you can see it here, Chrome://net internals. After you've gone here, again, on any device, on Android or computer, you can see midway down is DNS. Let's tap on DNS, and it says DNS lookup. Now, in my case, I'm going to just rotate this to be able to see it a bit better and orient it like this and show you a bit better. You can look up a specific domain, but you can also just choose to clear the host cache just by tapping on that. Keep in mind, when you do this on your phone or computer, you might not get a notification, but now all of that DNS cache has been cleared.